Hello, mi ba kweku.
Happy Mother's Day to you, ma'am.
Oh, thank you, son.
I have a surprise for you on this Mother's Day.
A surprise? For me?
I'm Pearl of Lakeside Estate. How may I help you, please?
My son asked me to call this number.
Oh, your son has a special package for you.
Okay, I'll be on my way.
This is your new home.
Welcome to Lakeside Estate. Win yourself a new home.
Oh, God! Hello, Kweku. You have fulfilled my heart desire. I am now a proud owner of a house at Lakeside Estate. I love the environment, the serenity, the space, and the details. Tell Auntie Fafa to come buy her house at Lakeside Estate, where I call a home.
To surprise your mom on this year's Mother's Day, buy a 2-bedroom deluxe home at Lakeside Estate and enjoy free furnishing. Lakeside Estate, quality home for all.